Hi, I'm Priya, founder and owner of Anar Gourmet Foods. We are a family-owned business based in the North Hills near Pittsburgh since 2016. We make all-natural, gluten-free seasoning kits for authentic and fusion Indian food. And these spice blends are based on my family's recipes from South India. And the idea for this came many, many years ago when anybody who's ever tasted my mom's food just absolutely loves it. And even decades later, they rave about it. Our vision is to share the joy of blending cultures and spices like our own multicultural family. Since COVID hit, many of you, like us, are cooking more at home. You're intimidated to make Indian food because it is complex. You have to buy 10 to 15 different spices and figure out how much to add, when to add them, and by the time you're done, hours later, you're just exhausted. We can help you make delicious Indian food at home easily. So we blend the spices and have easy recipes, and these are based on my mom's and my own home cooking. And what's nice about these packets is when you pick them up, at the back of the packet, we list all the fresh ingredients you need and step-by-step directions. So anybody can pick up these packets and make the delicious Indian food at home. And what's really nice about our packets is, like home cooking, they have layers of spices. So we usually have a step 1 and a step 2 packet. Step 1, you marinate the meat, and step 2, you use to make the sauce and then combine the two to make our recipes. We have 14 different flavors and they're all delicious. So we have vegan, non-vegetarian, and fusion Indian dishes, and a frozen food entree. And this is just yummy. It's chicken tikka masala with basmati rice. Our secret is our hot South Indian curry powder. And my grandmother passed this down to me, and it is unique to the small town that she comes from called Narsapur in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and it's unique to our household. So I'm very thankful to her for passing this down to me. What I do is tailor the Indian spices and my grandmother's hot curry powder to the Western ingredients so that you still maintain the integrity of the South Indian roots. And I also customize the spicy heat. Our customers just love our seasoning kits because they're simple to prepare, delicious, and have all natural ingredients. So there's no gluten, MSG, nuts, sugars, or preservatives. They're available in family-sized portions with customizable spicy heat and easily made in less than 45 minutes. So go to our website to check out our products and our product reviews. We are thrilled to have all 5-star reviews from our customers. You can also find where we sell our products. You can go online to buy them or at the local Whole Foods, Sorgels, T-Bones, and RSVP in the Pittsburgh area or in West Virginia in the public market. You can also follow me on Instagram or Facebook for the latest tips and tricks to make delicious, easy Indian food. Because I know once you get a packet and you make it with one bite, you will love it. It's absolutely just delicious.